My savage and my savage. Welcome back to another episode of that Moneymane. You already know, and y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail. Before we get into it, you already know what you need to do. You need to spam that like button, subscribe, and share, and tell your friends about that Moneymane. You already know, man. I'm telling y'all, but it's crypto going crazy, bro. I don't know what's gonna happen, man. We done had this big dip on Bitcoin, and now all these altcoins and these meme coins still going crazy, man. But we gonna get into it. We gonna talk about it, man. I'm trying to bang out these bangers every week, man. I'm trying to get y'all a video as soon as possible as I can, but been busy transitioning and all this type stuff, man. But let's go ahead and get into it. All right, here we go, man. Bitcoin, man. Y'all already know Bitcoin had did a big dip, but it ain't the dip that we had predicted, man. Not saying it ain't gonna happen. Not saying that was the big dip, but hey, Bitcoin had pulled back all the way back to like 56, 55,000, man. Like I had said, but we said we were thinking it was gonna go down even more, but it didn't. You know what I'm saying? So we done rebounded off of that bottom, and then we treading back towards another resistance level right now that we're gonna get into it, man. And y'all can see right now the total crypto market is up 0.49%. Depends on you watching this video. You know what I'm saying? 2.36 trillion, and Bitcoin right now is at $64,313.35. Is up 1.69% on the week. Like I said, man, Bitcoin had been down, and that's when you should have loaded up and got some more. Moneymane didn't do that because I ain't had no money, man. You get what I'm saying? But it is what it is. You know what I'm talking about? But we got enough, and we just gonna ride it out, man. We're gonna see what's gonna happen with Bitcoin over these next 100 days. If y'all go watch my last video, you didn't watch that last video when I said what's gonna happen with Bitcoin in the first 100 days of Bitcoin. What move we gonna see? Go watch that video now. Pause this one, open up a new tab, go watch that one right now. But I want to go ahead and shout out Stock Mode, man. Shout out to Stock Mode for the Discord, man. But we're gonna get into it in a minute. But right now we're gonna take a look at the Bitcoin chart now. Like I said, the last video I said, man, go watch that video. I said we won't get that pullback all the way back down to 55,000, 56,000. We got down to 56,000, and y'all can see my line right there. There was another support there that I had already drawn. These lines been drawn for the last couple of videos I've been doing on Bitcoin, man. So don't get it twisted. I ain't just do this. It's just hitting the mark, man. Even my trend line going down. As y'all can see, we still in a bearish trend, even though we had that big run up. This is the day chart, by the way. You get what I'm saying? So as y'all see this right there, we just now crossing the trend, the bearish trend line, but we still at a resistance point now of that 64, 65,000 right here, man. So we can push past this 64, 65,000, then we got a chance to go all the way back into the 70,000 range. But we still got to get past 68, but we still got a chance to run back to that 70,000 range if we can get past 65 and hold, and then keep on with the keeping on the moving up. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, my trend line going down, that's bearish signal. But right now, we still ain't got no confirmation because it's still touching the line. Now, when this next candle, depends on you watching this video, May 6th, May 7th, May 8th, if one of those candles does not touch this trend line going down, then we probably got a confirmation on a move up. But like I said, man, don't nobody know really gonna happen. I just heard what I heard, and they saying they're probably going back to 70. And if we can get past 75, 74, 75,000, then we running to 80, and then 100K, here we come, man. Just all speculation. I'm not financial advisor. This is not financial advice. You know what I'm saying? But hey, let's go ahead and jump into Discord and see what I mean by we on an uptrend, but we still in the bearish downtrend, but we on the uptrend. All right, here we go. I had to move my camera, change me to the other side so y'all can see this whole chart right here now, man. Shout out to the Stock Mode, bro. He done upgraded his Discord, got all the AI bots in here, man, going crazy on the crypto and the stocks. But right here, what y'all seeing is the indicators on the chart that we just looked at. Like I said, we going on the bullish trend up on the recent 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, 5 candles right here, man. But on the overall, we still on a downtrend. But like I said, this is a zoomed close up. And as y'all can see, it hit the Bollinger Band. If y'all know about Stock Mode bread recipe, Bollinger Bands, you hit the Bollinger Band on the top or on the bottom, you got to go the opposite direction. So we hit it on the bottom, so we had to go back up. That's why you see this candle right here, green. Then it was a hammer candle. So the next candle was a big green candle. Then we still green. So now it's saying the EMA and the RSI is bullish. So the 5 crossed the 13 EMA right now. It just barely crossed it though. It just barely crossed it right here. Is y'all really can't really tell right there and see it. But where this thing at right here, the 5 EMA done crossed the 13 EMA, and that means we could be on a bull run. Not a bull run, but a bullish trend going up. As y'all can see right here, like the EMA plus the RSI is bullish. That's what that is right there. And y'all can see the RSI right down here is at 50.29 right there. But 50.29, 5 J Carter 13, everything looking good as far as a up move. But as y'all can see it right here, if we take a look back right here, kind of same movement, right? So now we had the candle, then we had the hammer candle, long hammer, and then we ran up, but we didn't. The 5 crossed the 13, but it didn't stay. Then we had them big red candles. So now, like I said, we got to get the same thing on the other chart. We got to get the confirmation that when the 5 crossed the 13, we're going to get a confirmation on the next candle that it ain't touching no lines. Then that'll mean we definitely on the way up. You get what I'm saying? That's how you got to read these things. I'm trying to teach y'all without knowing the little bit I do know, but hey, an easy, simple read, that's what we need. That's what we looking at right there. And the next thing we looking at right here, man, the Fibonacci retracement. Like I said, all these levels right here, man. Now, when you break past it, it becomes support or resistance. If we broke past 65 and then 60 became the support, and then we broke past 60 like I thought we was gonna do, and then we went down to 56, but y'all see that support right there at 56,329. We bounced off of it, and now we going back up. We broke past 60, so the next resistance is 65,236 and 51 cents. Now we can break past that and hold, then y'all, like I said, like I told y'all, bro, we going back to the 70K. 73,135 would be the next run up if we can break past that 65,236 and hold above it. Then we could see that move back to 70K. Now, if y'all jumped in and jumped out of Bitcoin, hey, I'm a long-term holder. I'm going to hold a long-term bag, and then I got a bag I might swing trade every now and then, depending on what's going on in the crypto market. But y'all already know the cycle on the last crypto cycles is every 4 years, and then like right now we in that part after the halving event where the next year Bitcoin should continue to move up. It should continue to move up. Not saying it will, not saying it ain't, but it should continue to move up. Go watch my last video, like I said, man. Get what I'm saying? So now we're gonna get into some price prediction. As y'all can see, what's the next level? I just showed y'all. Now we're gonna see what they predicting the price gonna be in the next couple months and year. They got Bitcoin right now, man. Mid-year 69,296. By the year end 100,479. So we already almost 6 months in 2024. So mid-year will be 69,296. Now we probably gonna end up in that 70K range. What I'm thinking, just my opinion, not saying we really is, but we might end around in that 70K range after these 100 days are over with, as we continue that move up. But by the year end, 100,479, a 57% move up from today to the end of the year. That's what they predicting right now. And then 2025, 113,000 to 138,000, man. And y'all can see it just get crazier and crazier at how Bitcoin gonna move if it keeps on that same trend. Because you know we got these spot ETFs and everything, all this news and stuff, all these financial institutions and these hedge funds, they all in Bitcoin now, so they could sell at any time. Just letting y'all know, it could drop like a rock if they wanted to. They trying to control it. But right here, man, like I said, after the halving event, we were looking at this right here, what it was gonna be. Go watch that last video and the other videos and see what changed on this. You know what I'm saying? But let's just go out with it. It's Cinco de Mayo right now, depends on you watching the video. But still, 70K. It's saying they're gonna reach 70K in July 15th. $71,838. That's what they predicting. So July 15th, 2 months from now, they saying Bitcoin gonna hit 70K. Like I said, it ain't gonna be a big move straight up. It's gonna gradually move up. So you still got time to buy a DCA in if you ain't got some. And whatever your average cost is, you know what I'm saying, you don't want to go too high, then there it is. Just leave, just sit, just wait, see. If it get another big dip, then we pouncing on it. You already know what it is. But 80K October, well, it's going to hit 80K in September 1st, 82,345, and then October 15th, 87,430. That's what they predicted. Like I said, 100,000 before the end of the year. Now, while an investor telling a whole different story about Bitcoin right here, man, as y'all can see, they only got on the year $64,819 and a 5-year forecast of $72,209. This wallet investor right here, man, everything is just prediction. Ain't none of this accurate. Who knows what's really gonna happen and what price of Bitcoin really gonna be around this time. We just taking a look at what some of these analysts and some of these experts saying that Bitcoin gonna be. But like I said, man, so around May 19th, they saying they're gonna be back down to 59,000, 57,000. Max price could be 62,000. So they got it going the opposite way. They got it pulling back where it could be a possibility. It could pull back from here. It might not go past 65,000 and stay and run up to 70,000. It could pull back down to these things. But hey, who really knows? Don't nobody really know. That's why you gotta be patient. Know what you're doing. Do your own due diligence and your own research so you know when to get up, get in, and get out if that's your thing. If you long term, it really ain't gonna matter. You just gonna keep buying on the dips so you can increase your bag. Cause over time, we already know Bitcoin price going up over time. We already know that. As long as the institutions don't sell all at the same time and say we gonna dump Bitcoin, doubt it, because they got these Bitcoin ETFs and a lot of these old heads, investors and old head brokerages. That's what I call them. They all in these Bitcoin ETFs, man. So, hey, it is what it is. Bitcoin can't do nothing but go up from here. But we going to see. Stay tuned. I think that's going to do it, my savage man. Just my little insight on what's going on Bitcoin, man. I appreciate y'all for coming and watching the whole video. If you done made it before, man, you're a real true savage. You know what I'm saying? I need to come up with another thing to call my people, man. Savages. Y'all think that played out, but it is what it is. For y'all new, go ahead, like, subscribe, and share, and tell your friends about that Moneymane. You already know, man. We coming with the crypto videos, and shout out to my AI video, man. If you ain't watched that AI video, go watch it, bro. I'm gonna start uploading those, see how they do. I'm making 2 more channels. We're gonna start doing AI videos and everything on this, man. I'm telling y'all, boy, I gotta get back on that grind, boy. And we getting back on that grind, boy. And I'm telling you, boy, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy, man. But like I said, like, subscribe, and share, and tell your friend about that Moneymane. You already know what time it is. Stop playing with me. My savages! Moneymane in the thing of a T and playing no games. Should I already know my name when I speak in CC Flame. Got my YouTube poppin', man. Like, subscribe, and everything in between. You already know Moneymane.